since the development of military aircraft capable of sinking warships around World War II, the world's militaries have begun to realize that the real battlefield area to be controlled is not land or water, but sky. 2024 is a big year for the sustainability of the United States industrial jet fighter program. When asked if the USAF can continue NGAD, the answer is we have to make those choices, make those decisions across the landscape. The USAF has been very secretive about NGAD, including about testing at least one demonstrator at the Air Force's secret flight test base known as Area 51. The U.S. Air Force plans to spend $28.5 billion on the Next Generation Air Dominance NGAD fighter program from 2025 to 2029. This will be used for sixth-generation fighters and companion drones. Development will be scaled up with production starting around 2030. The sixth-generation fighter will be the core of the networked NGAD family of systems. It will be equipped with multiple manned aircraft, loyal wingman-type unmanned aerial vehicles, and advanced command, control, and communication systems. The modern sixth-generation fighter jet is expected to replace the F-22 Raptor fighter from 2030. The NGAD will have next-level stealth capabilities, much improved engines, and many lessons learned from the problems with the F-35 and F-22 stealth fighter programs. The development of new jet engines and armor is a separate budget item. The NGAD will have twice the range of the F-22 Raptor. NGAD will have a new AESA radar system, new tailless stealth design, new adaptive cycle engine, kinetic energy and laser weapon armament, twin engines that provide greater thrust and fuel efficiency, heat emission minimized. In short, military forces that maintain air superiority can more easily dominate ground and armored forces, as well as ships and navies. For obvious reasons, the aircraft carriers that extend the U.S. Navy's power around the world have gone from World War I battleships to World War II Yorktown-class carriers, and to the current 100,000-ton Gerald R. Ford-class supercarriers. However, technology and related technological threats are constantly evolving, and any military that relies on today's most advanced fighter will soon realize that tomorrow, that most advanced fighter may be only marginally effective or even obsolete. So while the assumption is that, at least in part, NGAD will result in an aircraft that can properly replace the F-22, that doesn't necessarily mean that this is an aircraft that pilots board and kinetically dogfight, trying to outdo the other aircraft. And with the portfolio approach, there is no rule that says all applicable sensors and weapons even have to be on the same aircraft. NGAD started as a Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency project. Since 2015, Congress has appropriated about $4.2 billion for NGAD. According to the CRS report, the Air Force's planned NGAD research, development, test, and evaluation fund totals about $1.65 billion a year in fiscal year 2022 and increases to about $3.5 billion a year in fiscal year 2027.